Okay guys, so if you want to see how I created this fabulous look, make sure you keep watching because I'm gonna show you. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. I am kidding. It is the morning and I look crusty. So I've been really into old school YouTube lately, so I thought it'd be fun to go back in the day and kind of do a time hop and do some videos that people used to do a lot of, like, you know, get ready with me's. To go on a date, your birthday party, a mall trip. I don't know what people usually go do in their daily lives because I'm insane and have a weird life. But today I thought I would do a funny modern twist on it and show you guys what it's like to get ready with me for a selfie. Because we all know we can't take a selfie without looking, you know, fabulous. So today I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to get ready with me from start to finish in order to take the perfect Instagram selfie. So without further ado, here we go. Get ready with me, selfie style. You guys are not ready for this. I'm gonna cut that out, that was weird. Or maybe I won't, I don't know. Oh my God, how cute is all of this? So obviously this video is sponsored by the Creme Shop. I'm so excited. A, because how cute is this packaging, and B, it's affordable, cruelty-free, based in Los Angeles, and overall just super luxurious and fabulous. So we got so much good stuff in here, so it's gonna be iconic. Not to mention they have these cute AF hairbands that I'm obsessed with, so, ooh, yes. Now we're cute. All right, so let's get started, because we got lots of work to do today. Okay, so again, here you go. You can see me before a full once over. Dun, da, da, dun, da, da. If you get up close, you can see here we have got no makeup on except for, it looks like I have some residual eyeliner on from yesterday that maybe I didn't get off yet. But anyways, yeah, that's me. Voila. So let's get started. First things first, the key to taking a good selfie is being in the mood. So we're gonna play a new bop and bop our way down to Coffee Bean because I need a matcha latte because I am addicted to them. Great. And then we're gonna go ahead and set the lighting. So we need some candles so the house smells fabulous. Self-care is important, kids. Then of course we're going to take a quick shower, which honestly you would think sounds a lot sexier than it actually is because, yeah. Next step before you take a selfie is to open your packages. Okay, not really usually unless you're me, but I did order some lights on Amazon to make this video more professional. So I'm gonna open those in a second, but before I do, we're gonna do some skincare. I have been obsessed with these little disposable face masks lately. This one is the rose water face mask. It's fabulous. You can see when you open it, it's like this. It's made with roses, hyaluronic acid, and then you literally can just go ahead and press it on your face like this so you look like a fabulous serial killer. Okay, so if you didn't turn off the video yet, let's install the lights. So upon opening the lights, I realized I did not buy batteries for them, so that's cool. Can you tell how freaking done I am? Yeah, I'm like done. But anyways, doesn't matter, we're gonna do it without lights. So you can see if you just peel the face mask, wipe my face off until we're smiley and fabulous. Like you can see now, look at my skin. Oh my God, we still have nothing on it. Well, I mean, aside of this massive zit, I don't know what's up with that, but let's start with the actual makeup. Next up, we are going to use some BB Creme. This one's cool because it's tinted and has SPF in it and moisturizer. So it's like, you know, all of the things because like I said, I'm lazy and like to do the least amount of work. Love it. Oh yes, looking pretty. Next, we're going to throw on some foundation. This foundation is honestly some of the best foundation I've ever used. No lie, literally is amazing. I went ahead and put it on my face here. Used the little moist knockoff beauty blender here. Look at that flawless face. Yes, honey. Next, we're gonna go ahead and throw on some concealer with a nice little smiley face on it. So we'll just put that underneath my eyes like this. I like to use my fingers because my fingers are free and beauty blenders are expensive. Oh my God, this packaging is so cute. It just makes me want to smile even more. Okay. Anyways, now we're going to go ahead and use the contour palette here. So I'm going to put that on with a brush like this, painting all over my face in a lovely, nice little mess, really, until I blend it in. But once I blend it in, it looks fabulous. Look at that, kids. Bella Hadid who? Bella Hadid, the love of my life. Okay. Wow, if you get really close, this is just, okay, I don't think I should be this close ever to the camera, but we're gonna go ahead and give ourselves a DIY nose job here. So literally we're just gonna use the contour on the sides of my nose, throw it on the tip here to make it look nice and teeny tiny. Cute as a button, every single one of you. Catch the One Direction reference? No? Yes? Maybe? Big fans. Okay. Anyways, next up. Like I said, I can't stop clucking. Love it. Okay, let's get ready with me. It's so weird. Throw on some eyeshadow primer to make sure our eyeshadow sticks on nice and well. For our eyeshadow, we're going to use the So Shady large eyeshadow palette. So you can see we have a lot of nice neutrals in here. Those are my favorites. So we're going to go ahead and throw those on, but of course not before another quick sing-along song performance. I was going to delete this, but then I thought it was kind of funny, so I left it in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the eyeshadow on here. We're going to use a nice base neutral matte color, and then we're going to go ahead and use the metallics in the center and in the corners. Shimmery looking, shiny looking, chic. Go ahead and put it under my eye too, just to kind of round it all out. Next, we're going to use the felt tip eyeliner. I love black eyeliner. It's my signature wing thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. Picasso who, honestly, look at that nice sharp wing. We do that in one stroke. We do the inner stroke too. We are killing it. Now we're gonna do our eyebrows because you know I shaved half of mine off for a video one time and I just left them that way. So, weirdly enough, I use edge wax to hold them in place. Weird beauty hack secret. I don't know if I should admit that, but I do. So I go ahead and put that on my eyebrows so they stick basically straight up. And then I go ahead and use the micro brow pencil here. Then I go ahead and just fill in my brows, kind of feathering them in until they're really nice and thick. Then once they're nice and thick, I go ahead and touch them up with a flat tip and some concealer until they look flawless. Woo! Oh yes, bitch, we got brows now. Next, I'm going to use the cushion highlighter. Okay, so this case you don't know how to use this, basically all you do is you secure your index and middle fingers between the sponge and the band, push the sponge into the cushion to absorb the product, so you can see it on there. Then you can just pat it and blend it into the skin. A little goes a long way, but I like a lot, so I'm gonna use a lot, because we love highlighter. Oh my God, she's shiny, she's fabulous, she's shiny, she's fabulous. Okay, so now we're gonna do my favorite part of any makeup look, which is lashes. Because right now, without them, I look bald. So these are 3D faux mink lashes. They're super lightweight, cruelty-free, and vegan, which we love because we love the animals. So we also got the lash glue with maybe the cutest packaging I ever saw. So we're just gonna go ahead and glue those lashes right on there. You can compare these to like the $30 lashes, and these are only $10 and rewearable more than 25 times. Ooh la la. Lashlicious. Quick PSA, I never wore mascara primer until literally just the other day, but everyone should be using it. It's so great. You put it on and while it's wet, you immediately follow it up with mascara and look at that. You can see longer, fuller lashes. Again, lashlicious. All right, now we're gonna throw in some quick lip liner here because we love a good duck face. Yes, we do. So we're gonna go ahead and overline our lips times 10,000 to give us that nice Kylie Jenner pouty Insta-Ho effect. Use a tinted lip moisturizer to keep those lips pouted and puffy and pretty. Make it flawless. We're gonna use a flat tip brush again and concealer and conceal it to be perfect. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Of course, no look is complete without setting spray, so we are going to spray our setting set in here. Lots and lots of sprays, because this is affordable, so we can afford to spray lots of sprays. And voila, we are done. I mean, not really, but we are done with our face. Alrighty, so there we go. That is our finished makeup look, and now, time to do our hair. Okay, so I actually don't really know what I want to do with my hair, but I'm pretty sure I want to take like some sort of Tumblr-y aesthetic photo with flowers. So we are going to run a quick errand because yes, I am that extra that I would go to the grocery store just to buy flowers just to take a selfie. So we'll do our hair when we get back. Here we go. Field trip. So we took a quick field trip to the store to buy some roses. I don't know which ones are the prettiest, but I'm leaning towards pink. So we picked up some pink roses. Look at that, so pretty. Now this is modern day romance, kids. Put those in a vase and come back to them in a second. And now we're actually gonna do our hair because it is a disaster. But I decided we're basically just gonna go ahead and straighten it. And then of course, we're gonna go ahead and pick out whatever selection of hair extensions we want. I'm gonna go with this pair today. Yes, I do have this many pieces of hair extensions. Throw those in, looking cute, except for this stain on my shirt. So I think it's time to get dressed because oops, I need to fix that. Pick out an outfit, pick out some jewelry. Wait for golden hour to hit. Oh my God, it's coming. All right, you guys, golden hour has hit. Are you ready? Time to take a selfie. So we took lots of selfies. We took some with the roses. We took some with one rose. We took some in the direct sunlight. We took some in the shade. We took all various shapes and sizes of selfies. By the way, all the products I used in today's video are linked below, so if you want to check out the Creme Shop stuff, you can. Honestly, taking selfies is fun. You're only young and cute once. You might as well live it up until you're old and cute. Because guess what? Cute's a mindset anyway. You'll never stop being cute if you always think you are. And there you have it, you guys. That is how you get ready to take a selfie. Normal people probably don't do this much stuff, but that was my process of taking a Selfie. Totally ridiculous, right? Yeah, I know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, huge shout out to the Creme Shop for sponsoring this video. Huge shout out to you guys for staying tuned. If you stayed tuned all the way till now, thank you so much. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more absolutely ridiculous content. I will see you guys next time, and don't forget, I hope this video most of all reminds you that Instagram isn't real. Next time you're scrolling through, please don't get sad you don't look like the girls on there, because guess what? Nobody does. The girls on Instagram don't even look like the girls on Instagram. And this video should be proof of that. I love you so very much. XO. Now what am I supposed to do with them? Put them on display like a normal person? I guess, yeah.